guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's true, one such a coin whose rate will never be reduced. The name of this project is Red Bull and its website is www.redbull.io. Guys, this project is running successfully till now starting from 12th of August 2021, and many more members are taking profit from the system. If you see the allocation means distribution, so 21 lakh coins apply for the community. And friends, at the time of launching, the rate of Red Bull coin was $3, which has now given 4 times profit. You can see here that 11.75 approx $12 of current rate. And here a question in your mind that why the rate of Red Bull coin never went down. Guys, reason its algorithm. Its algorithm is set in such a way that until the total 21 lakh coin is not sold, then its rate will not go down. And if you look at the calculation of this algorithm, when 9,000 coin is sold, coin rate increase by $1. It means total 21 lakh coin sale, the coin rate will go up to $236. And Red Bull coin not available in open market like coin market or any exchange. For joining Red Bull project, see the further packages, very affordable packages here. You can see first package is for $50, second $100, third $500, and fourth $1,000. You can join with any one package according to your budget. For example, you join with $100, so system will pay you $100 worth of Red Bull coin. For keep your account live, system will pay you 5% dividend, so that transaction will goes on your account and your account will be active. And this 5% dividend you will receive in coin form till 200% of your joining amount. For example, if Red Bull coin value is $10 and according to 5% dividend, you will receive half coin because 5% of $100 is $5. And there is no any condition for holding or stacking. On every 10 days, you can withdraw your coin according to live rate. Next, referral bonus. By first level, you will receive 6% one time. It's your direct level income. By second and third level, you will get 2% referral bonus for one time. And very big plus point of the Red Bull project, that is enjoy earning part. You will never see this type of features in any project. See here, level 1 to 16 you will get income continue for 12 months, while level 1 you will get 4% for 12 months. Level 2nd and 3rd will pay you 2% for 12 months, while level 4 to 10 you will get 1% income, and 11 to 16 you will get 0.5% income for 12 months. For this income, there is some conditions that for first level you have to introduce 2 direct referral of $100 and plus 3 direct referral of $100 is for second level. When you complete $1,500 business with any package, you will be eligible for third level. Similarly, when you plus $3,000 business with any package, so you will be eligible for 4 to 10th level income. And when you complete $5,000 business plus $5,000 business, so your 11 to 16th level will be open for enjoy earning. It means you have to complete $10,000 business where 5 direct referrals should be introduced with $100. So you will be eligible for first to 16th level income, and you become royalty achiever also. Here 2% of company turnover will be equally distributed all among the royalty achievers 3 times in a month, 4, 14 and 24 date of the month. Next, best reward also. For appreciate your performance for the system, Red Bull define best reward income. Best reward goes to the person who sells maximum direct package in 12 hours. Company give 2% of company turnover business in that 12 hours, and any one members will be allowance for this income. For example, member A introduced 10 direct member of $50, total business count $500. Member B introduced 2 direct member of $1,000, so total business count $2,000. So member A will be best reward achiever because he sells maximum direct package. And guys, very soon on 4th December, Red Bull will launch its own multi-blockchain. Many features you will see there like wallet, exchange and swap also. In the next page, you can check here disclaimer. 75% income will be created in your U-wallet and 25% in your coin wallet. 24/7 support available. You can withdraw your working income daily, no any deduction and hidden charges on your withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is on $5. And for more info, please visit the website www.redbull.io. And guys, if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.
बहुत ज्यादा खर्चा हो रहा है शादी का।